Do you want to boost your sales instantly with eye-catching product badge? Let me show you how you can do it. Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to add product badge in WooCommerce step by step. This is a great way to highlight your offers like sale, new arrival or featured product that grab your customer attention instantly. And the best part is we will do it using a simple WordPress plugin, so no coding is required. Make sure you watch till the end. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do. So navigate to the shop page, click over here all products, scroll down and you can see this is the product badge, 30% discount and another is sell 5%. So after watching this video, you will be able to add this type of product badge in your online store or e-commerce website, and we will do it with a WordPress free plugin. So now I can close this step, and this is the website where I want to add this type of product badge. So go to the admin dashboard and we have to install a WordPress free plugin. So hover over on plugins, click over here add plugin. That's great. Now have to search the plugin name from here. You can see this is the search field. Just search here product labels for WooCommerce. Scroll down and you can see this is the plugin product labels for WooCommerce which we are going to use in this tutorial. So click over here install now, then activate. After install and activated the plugin, a new option is added in left side menu whose name is badges. You can see badges, just click over, just hover on it, then you can see badges, product list and settings. Or if you click over here, you can see this is the plugin and badges, click here. That's great. You can see this is the settings page. Okay, badges, and very fast you have to navigate for this step product list. That's why you have to add, or you can add the offer or badge from here, like how many badge or which type of offer you want to show. So go to the product list for this step, and from the right side top you can see add new list, click here, then the list name. So very fast I want to add like for 20% discount. So list name I can give here 20% discount, 20% discount. Then the type product selection. If you click this down arrow, then you can see product selection and categories. Like if you want to show this badge for a specific product, then you have to select product selection and product name here. If you want to show this badge or this offer for category based, then you have to select category. So I want to show this offer for a specific product, so click product selection and give the product name here. So go to the website and scroll down. I want to show like dark blue brown jeans, so I can copy this product title from here, copy it and paste here. Dark brown jeans. That's great. Just click over here publish, then navigate to the badges settings, click over here badges, and from the right side top you can see add new badge, click here, then the enter title, like I want to show for 20% discount. Just you have to give any title here that's you desire. I want to give like 20% discount. Then the text options, you can see badge label which will show in website, like I want to give here 20% discount. You can see 20% discount, so you have to write here 20% discount. Okay, then the text color I want to give like white, then the font size will be 12. Then the badge style, you can see this is the style. You can check it from here, just select and check preview from here. Okay, then again I want to give like this round style. That's great. Then scroll down and the style option, click here, then the change the option, like I want to give it, I can see it's it's perfect for me. Okay, so this is the badge style. Then scroll down, then you can see badge position, like it is top and left side. So you can select from here, this is the bottom and right side. I want to give like top, right. That's great. Okay, then navigate to the another tab, which is schedule. So you can select schedule from here, like April 5. Today date is April 5. Okay, so if you want to activate this offer from 10 April, then you can select 10. Okay, I want to give like from April 4, then the time here you have to select time from here, or if I give here like 5, then time will be 00. Okay, then the peak time, this is the end date. Actually I want to give here like 30 April. Okay, and time will be okay. Then the publish it, or again navigate to the another tab, product selection, which is very important. Use custom product filter, then the all product list, just click over here, then you can see all, and all is default and 20% discount, which already I have added. So again go to the product list, then you can check it for confirmation. You can see this is the 10% discount, which already I have added. So I have to select it. That's why I want to 10% discount for a specific product. Okay, then finally published from here, you can see in the right side bottom. Then go to the website and just refresh it and check it. That's great. You can see the badge works fine, 20% discount. Then again, if you want to add this type of badge for all product or any specific category, then you can do it. So again go to the admin dashboard and click over here product list. Okay, click over here add new list. Then like I want to give like 5% discount for a specific product category, so I can write here 5% discount. Okay, 5% discount for women category. Okay, then the product selection, click this down arrow and select categories. That's why I want to show this badge or show this offer for women category. Okay, so you have to select like and then the add relation, then select type category, select in, then the category name here. Just I want to give like women category. That's great. Then the type of selection product, I do not need to select it. That's why I want to show for this category, then publish it. Again go to the badge tabs, so click over here and add new badge. Then the enter title like 5%, sell 5%, then the scroll down, this is the 5%. Okay, you can give here like which you want to show in website. You can see this is the sell 5%. Okay, or you can like give here 5% discount. I want to give here sell 5%. That's great. Then the text color. Okay, again I want to give here like white. Then the font size will be 15. Then you can select the style from here. I want to give like this one. It's great. Scroll down and style option. Okay, base color I want to give like this one. Okay, that's great. Then scroll down and this is the base position. Already I have explained it and I think it's perfect for me. Then the publish, or you have to navigate to the another tab, schedule. You can select schedule from here. Okay, so I want to show from today, so it's okay for me, and for 15 April. Okay, and product selection and 5% discount for women category. This is the 5% discount base which I want to show for a specific category, which is for women category. So select it and finally publish from the right side bottom. Again go to the website, and if you navigate to the women category page, then you will see it works perfectly. So again, if you want to show this discount for whole website or all product, then again go to the base, and then you can select all products from here, then update it. Go to the website and just shop page will be like this is the shop page. Yes, you can see it works for all products. Okay, then again I have to change it, that's why I want to show for a specific category. So update it and go to the website, refresh it and check it. The settings works perfectly, and that's it. That is how you can easily create product base in WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorial. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video.